Kajala Meghalaya Kalalong Kajala Bakandai Hari India Ban Kyntait I Menjur Ban Tohkit Deka Central Bureau of Investigation Kabakado Bayamentahi ka CBI kanumla ban register Mukot Duma Tmai Daki Officer Naka Sarkar India Lane Uriu Shimet Hakajila Klem Kajing Menjur ka Sarkar Jila Halor kani umentri rang ba Conrad Conrad ke sangma wala ong ba kade ke benta ka bajudon ba Kajila kala ban Kyntait ban I bor Tohkit ya ka CBI.
No, it's a normal thing. Most states have done it, and it's not that it is done now. It's been, in fact, the decision was made quite a long time now. So maybe I think almost, I can't remember exactly the date, but it has been done very, very long time back. So therefore, it's a normal thing where the state's aspect is there, and there's a decision that we take, and a lot of states have taken it. So it's in line with that anybody who wants to come in here has to take consent from the state. That's all. It's a normal procedure. There's nothing off the thing about it. It's a normal procedure.
Unongilam kaliang Pyrshang kiyang dorbar Thawan ban nongilam ka All India Trinamool Congress ula ong ba kidaw ki ba penlong ban Shimrai kumne Donkam ban pej bania bha.
See, we'll have to look at the background of the circumstances leading to this decision. Whether there is some reasons which has prompted the state government to take this decision or otherwise, we'll get into these. And I have just seen the media reports referring to this decision of the government. But we will have to look at about the circumstances leading to this decision by the government. But one thing is very important. One thing is very important because when we talk about taking a decision to entrust any of the investigating agency or body for that matter to find out the truth for the larger good of the state and larger good of the people, then you'll have to look at what is the best decision that will ensure that the decision with well-intended purpose has a fruition. It cannot be any investigation or any inquiry into any of the alleged irregularities or alleged corruptions, or for that matter any instance which requires complete transparency and the reasons behind any instant of such concern where people want an inquiry, independent inquiry. Government always must be responsive to such demand of the people, and therefore you will have to have options whether people will be accepting, whether the state will be accepting a particular decision of the government when the government has to order to go into any alleged irregularity or alleged corruptions through an inquiry. If people don't accept, then what do you have? You will have to also have options, and therefore CBI always provide you an option to create that kind of trust, in the minds of the public, in the minds of the people, that the government mean business and there is no reason to doubt their sincerity and commitment. So to demonstrate the sincerity and commitment in addressing certain concerns of the people where an inquiry is required, sometimes government has to have an option of resorting to inviting an independent inquiry agency.